Welcome everyone. My name is Shah. I'm this week's facilitator. Our focus this week is on event prototyping. An event includes a trigger and an action. The trigger is how you interact with your prototype, like tinkering over an element. The action is the result of your tinkering, like changing how your element looks. Our virtual student recruitment event is divided into three parts: pre-event, event itself, and post-event. During pre-event, we are focusing on providing video testimonials and tutorials about campus life, application process, financial aid for parents and prospective students. Our event is 2 hours divided into 4 segments: introduction, keynote speaker talking about the program, mingling time for parents and students to interact with the staff and faculty, end note, and rewards. After the event, we have a feedback survey to gather data to improve on for our next time. That's all. Thanks for listening in. Bye-bye.